Graphenizer, a complete engine treatment for all petrol and diesel vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. First of its kind in the world. Fuel and oil additives are one of the major essential commodities in day-to-day life, and as such, it tends to see larger fluctuations in fuel prices compared to more stable investments. But for every crisis, there is a solution. Hence, our research team of scientists and the management of PISIQ company in Dubai spent years together and came out with an innovative solution of Graphenizer, a revolutionizing fuel and engine oil additive with instant result. Graphenizer is empowered with graphene, a miracle material of tomorrow's world. It is harder than diamond and 200 times stronger than steel. It cools down the overheat instantly as it is a heat conductor and more flexible than rubber. Graphenizer is formulated in Dubai by PISIQ, a research and development company which is pushing the boundaries of innovation in the fields of artificial intelligence to smart materials. PISIQ is ranked number 1 among the top 101 companies in Dubai, UAE, in the category of Internet and Startups of 2021, and Graphenizer by PISIQ ranked number 12 among the top 101 of the most innovative United Arab Emirates-based oil and gas companies and startups. Source from beststartup.asia and futurology.life. Graphenizer, a miracle fuel and engine oil additive, provides complete engine treatment solution to minimize the cost and maximize the performance and safety of the engine for all vehicles of petrol and diesel with instant results. PISIQ invented 3 types of additives in Graphenizer as combo for the vehicles. Graphenizer 1G1, Decarbonizer, Instant Pollution Remover. Graphenizer 1G1 removes the hard carbon deposits from piston and stops emission pollution with black smoke instantly for both petrol and diesel engines without any machine or opening the engine. It also cleans the injectors, nozzles, valves, pumps and plugs instantly and reduces the knocking sound, noise, vibrations, and increases full pickup with smoothness for all types of 2- and 3-wheelers, cars, trucks, buses, JCBs, boats and all other heavy machineries. Thereby, it saves a lot of maintenance cost and time. Graphenizer 2G2, Instant Engine Heat Reducer with powerful lubrication. It forms a layer inside the engine and controls friction and wear and tear. It treats metal-to-metal surfaces with powerful lubrication, increases engine's power and controls the jerk when the AC is turned on. It protects the engine if the radiator or the coolant leaks. It stops engine oil leakage and extends the engine's life. It reduces engine's heat up to 60% and no more engine oil top-up required. It extends the engine oil's life up to 40,000 kilometers. For radiator, it keeps the head and block cool and the water and cylinder free of rust and choking. And it also increases the life of the rubber hose pipes. It saves engine oil up to 3 times. For an ACs, reduces the compressor noise and increases the cooling effect. In the fuel tank, it forms a layer and prevents the formation of rust inside. Wherever oil used, Graphenizer 2 can be added there as well. Graphenizer 2 can be used in all brand new cars as well. Graphenizer 2 can be used in all types of petrol, diesel and CNG engines, gearbox differential, compressors, transformers, bearings, conveyor belts, automotives, hydraulics, small and heavy machineries, and other industrial purposes. Graphenizer 3 G3 Instant Mileage Booster. Graphenizer 3 G3 removes the bacteria from inside the fuel tank. It separates the fuel molecules. It breaks the chain of hydrocarbon bonds, removes sludge, and improves density in the fuel quality. It makes fuel burn almost completely. It instantly shows increased mileage in digital meters when added to fuel tanks. Add 1 ml to 1 liter of petrol or diesel every time you refill your tank. It increases extra mileage up to 50% on highways. Graphenizer 3 can be added to all types of petrol and diesel vehicles of 2 and 3 wheelers, cars, trucks, JCBs, boats, and all other heavy machineries as well. Graphenizer, a complete engine treatment for all vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. Check the pollution test before and after the treatment. It is trending top #1 in Google. Search as Graphenizer, first of its kind in the world. For dealers and distributors, visit www.graphenizer.com. Call or WhatsApp